Welcome to today's video. In this era of e-commerce platforms like Shoplify have made it incredibly easy for anyone to start an online store and earn money. But what if I told you there is a simple way to run Shopify store without the hard work of listing products, managing inventory or handling shipping? In this video, I will introduce you to a game-changing Shopify based platform where your store is set up instantly with preloaded products. You earn passive income by completing orders with just one click. You get $1 fee just for signing up enough to create your own store. There is a referral program where you can earn $5 per friend who joins. If you are ready to learn how to earn daily income with minimal effort, watch till the end. Step 1, click on the link given in the description, then click on start free trial. Click on sign up and then enter your details. You will get the verification code through WhatsApp. Then enter your password and click on sign up to register your account. After sign up, you just need to log in, enter your username, password, and enter verification code. Just this image, letters shown in this image. Enter this and click on login. Now you are successfully logged in. Just click on continue. Now I will show you how you can claim your free $1. After logging in, go to events and then apply. Click on apply. Under new user reward, you will instantly receive $1. After some time, you will see it's completed and you have successfully received $1 in your account. As you can see, I have received $1 in my wallet, and this is the total amount in my wallet now. Now I will show you how you can create your own store. Just scroll down and click on my store. Select new agency store and click on open. Then click here and complete the payment. Click on complete the payment and your store is successfully created. Click on OK, and as you can see, store is open now. Navigate to order list. Here you will see available orders. Click pay to invest in an order. Click on confirm. Here the system fulfills the order, no physical works. Profits are added to your balance once the order is complete after 2 to 3 days. To maximize earnings, deposit more funds to handle larger orders. There is a second way to earn on this platform. You can refer this platform to your friends and earn $5 per friend. Go to Partner Center. Here you will get your referral link with a QR code. Share it with friends. When they join and create a store, you earn $5 for each friend. You also earn 15% of their profits and 5% from their referrals. You can simply share this link with your friends or simply share this QR code to earn referral earnings. Now to withdraw your earnings, just click on wallet, click on withdrawal, and here you need to set a withdrawal password. Click on set withdrawal password. Under transaction password, click on modify, and from here you can easily set your transaction password. Just set a easy password and click save. Then come back and click on add withdrawal address. Click on add a bank account, and here you need to enter your wallet receiving address. Select coin network as TRC20 and just go to your Binance account. In your Binance account, just click on add funds and select the coin. Select the coin as USDT. Select the network at TRX and you will get the receiving address. Copy this and go to your Shopify account and paste it here. Click on save and make it as default. Click on save and your payment method is set. Click on withdrawal and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Enter the transaction password and confirm the payment. To further maximize your earnings, you need to deposit more funds. If you deposit more funds, you can handle more orders and earn more profits. To deposit, click on deposit. Here minimum deposit amount is $30. So you can deposit first $30. Enter $30 and click on submit. Select your payment method and click on proceed. Then you will get this transaction address. Just copy this, go to your Binance account, click on send money. Then you can just select USDT as currency and select TRC20 as the network. Enter the deposit amount as $31 because $1 is transaction fee. After making the payment, you will receive your amount in your account here and you can check from your wallet. If you also want to earn money through this platform, you can just create your account from the link given in the description and start earning from today. This platform is new and trending. Join early to maximize your earnings. Withdraw profits daily for consistent income. Okay guys, bye. See you in the next video.